Natural remedies for menopause actually work. Menopause, or change of life, is a phase in women's life which indicates the end of menstruation or monthly cycle. It is actually derived from Greek word men, which means month, and pausis, which means termination. Menopause is a natural event which usually occurs when the woman reaches her late 40s or early 50s and signifies the closure of her fertile phase. Menopause marks the end of the major role performed by the ovaries. First, soy bar. Soy products such as tofu may prove beneficial during menopause. Studies have shown that soy products contain a good amount of phytoestrogen called isoflavones, which helps in maintaining the cardiovascular health and bone health. These components with estrogen-like qualities may prove to be of great help in easing the symptoms associated with peri and postmenopause as well. Vitamin B6. This B vitamin helps to promote a positive mood, prevent depression, and boost energy. It also supports your immune system, very beneficial for women who are on hormone replacement therapy. Third, black cohosh. This is one of the natural remedies for menopause that can help rebalance your hormonal level. During menopause, hormone levels often rise and fall erratically, causing menopause symptoms such as hot flashes, fatigues, insomnia, and more. Black cohosh has been used for many years to help restore normal hormone function, and it's particularly effective in relieving night sweats, hot flashes. For women who aren't yet menopausal, it may also help relieve symptoms of premenstrual syndromes. Fourth, sage. Another amazing home remedies which can prove effective during the menopause is sage herb. As hinted by its Latin version, salvery, which means to heal. Extract of this herb aids in providing relief from scores of health problems, including excessive sweating and hot flushes. Studies have validated the efficiency of sage herb in remarkable decreasing the frequency of hot flushes and other symptoms implicated in menopause. Fifth, red clover. Red clover is another effective botanical remedy which may prove valuable during menopause. Studies have shown that isoflavones present in the red clover aids in reduction of the levels of cholesterol, triglycerides, and exerts positive effects on vaginal cell. This herb also helps in reducing the frequency of symptoms associated with menopause. 6. Ginseng herb. Red ginseng is an effective remedy for relieving the symptoms implicated in menopause. Research studies have shown that consumption of red ginseng helps in lowering the total and LDL cholesterol in the body. This protective effect helps in maintaining cardiovascular health in the postmenopausal women. 7th, kava. Kava extract is also an effective herbal remedy which may prove valuable during menopause. A research study has advocated the efficiency of kava extract along with hormone replacement therapy in alleviating the anxiety-related problem associated with menopause. Kava extract might interfere with the metabolism of prescription anti-anxiety medication, and it is recommended for short-term situational anxiety. Use of kava is banned in many countries, so consult your health specialist before using it.
Thanks for watching.